This is the Cherry KW X ULP keyboard. This premium keyboard combines all the advantages of a mechanical keyboard with the aesthetic of a modern slimline device. The major positives I noticed on the first use is the sleek design made possible by the high quality materials, adding to the reliability of the product. I enjoy how the keyboard combines old and new in its mechanical signing keys and its slimline design. The pairing feels stylish and would suit an office space, and yet is still able to join the gaming conversation on efficiency due to the low travel time. And finally, the overall setup was really simple, which meant I was up and running and using the keyboard quickly. Starting with the design, the keyboard owes its slim design to the MX ultra low profile switches, which are renowned for their fast response and reliable input. Taking a deep dive into the keys itself, it is made up of 5 main components, plus the polycarbonate caps. First of all, we have the base frame. Sitting on top of this is the gold crosspoint contact system. Next is the actuator and the polymer socket. And last of all, before the caps, there are the wings and the spring.
The reason I'm most excited about this product is the sound of the keys. Take a listen. The mechanical feel stands out and has a nostalgic click when pressed. I can feel a slight resistance, which makes me feel confident that the key is responding. And because of the slimline nature, I don't find myself tripping over the keys when I type as much.
Looking wider at this Cherry keyboard, we see that it features high-quality polycarbonate caps designed specifically for the ultra-low profile switches. They are abrasion-resistant and guarantee that the labeling on the keys will last. The keyboard has a rechargeable battery, anti-ghosting and low latency, making it suitable for gaming. The elegant keyboard is equipped with 3 flip-out feet, which can be used to adjust the tilt and is rounded off by an ionized aluminium surface with the silver edges. Moving on to connecting the keyboard to the computer, this keyboard connects wirelessly via Bluetooth or by a 2.4 GHz radio frequency, as well as a USB cable offering maximum flexibility. So, my final thoughts on this product. I love the use of the tissue paper rather than the plastic in the packaging, something I noticed when reviewing the Cherry UM 9.0 microphone as well. In keeping with the more sustainable packaging, I would love to see a QR code sticker sending me to a manual online rather than a physical copy, just to reduce the waste where possible. I can't see an RGB lighting setting, but the white light available is suitable for low light gaming setups and provides great visibility in varying light conditions in something like, say, an office. And finally, this keyboard is definitely high quality and a great asset to your setup. As always, if you enjoyed this review, like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Box for the next review.